off-road performance shop in Miami. Bonnie is working on something very crazy for show season. You guys can see I have a JK in the back. I'm only gonna show you this. That's all you're gonna see. Completely naked. They are working on this. He's telling me this is gonna be one of the loudest JKs he's ever built. So stay tuned. This thing's gonna be crazy. Down. This is Bonnie. If you don't know who Bonnie is, off-road performance shop of Miami. Long ass name. We should call it something else. But I asked him, yo, can we show people what's inside? And he said, no, don't. So stay tuned. You guys do not want to miss this build. When are you gonna debut it?
G Beach 2024.
G Beach. Ay, ay, ay. G Beach is gonna be hard. I just got a text from Texas. They showed me a build that they're doing over there. Crazy. So stay tuned, guys. G Beach 2024, off-road performance, DS18. We like it loud, baby.
Yes, sir. We like it loud.
So I just stole Bonnie's book of secrets, and trust me guys, he doesn't want me to show anything. It is completely naked, almost naked inside, but what I picture, this thing is really gonna be loud. So don't move, stay tuned. This is gonna be one crazy build.